Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to handle Java Home should point to a JDK, not a JRE. So first here, let's go on this C drive. There I'm going to set the Java Home location. So this here JDK, now copying this location. So let's search here, edit, system environment variable. Now environment variable there, let's click on this new, right there, Java underscore home. Pasting there, and for path, if path is not set it there, let's here already path I'm going to set this. So path here, that is for bin directory. So let's include there bin in a small letter. Now thereafter, let's click on this OK. Opening the command prompt cmd. Now if I write there echo, then percent Java underscore home. So this you can see Java home is set there at this location. The next is let's go on this software that I'm going to install. So this is under download section, or here maybe in C drive. Okay, C drive, this software is there, ODI, Oracle Data Integrator. So now let's copy this path, and now let's open their command prompt. So command prompt should be open with run as an administrator. Yes button. And now let's paste this location, and here Java, then write there -jar. Now press enter. So this here extracting the installer. So extracting this installer. Now you can see this problem that's getting there, JRE is not a valid JDK Java home. So this issue that I'm getting there. So first press enter. So what you need to do, how to handle this issue. So let's go on this C drive program files, and here this Java, let's use their JDK and bin. Copy this location and paste there. Here you need to use this cd command. So directly that change. Now if you are going to use these tabs, so here we are inside this bin directory. Now giving this command. Okay, so let's press enter. These times or the problem related with JRE is not a valid JDK home Java home, that has been solved. So if you give this location, change the directory, then keep there this jar file name. So after that, this problem that has been solved. And here after you can install this Oracle Data Integrator so easily. So this is how we can handle this problem or error. Java home should point to a JDK, not a JRE. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.